Off-road lovers, get ready, because today, we're stepping into the future of side-by-sides. Imagine the most powerful factory UTV Polaris has ever built, then imagine pushing it even further. This is the vision of the Polaris RZR Pro R 2026 concept, a fan-made look at what the next generation could bring. It's not an official Polaris launch, but it's inspired by real technology trends, racing upgrades, and the demands of riders like you. If you think the current 225 horsepower Pro R is impressive, wait until you see what's possible when we imagine a 240-plus horsepower hybrid boosted beast with AI suspension, advanced safety, and futuristic tech inside the cockpit. This is not just an upgrade, it's an evolution. To understand this concept, we first have to look at what already makes the RZR Pro R legendary. The existing Pro R is the heavyweight king of naturally aspirated sport, UTVs. Its 2.0-liter ProStar Fury 4-cylinder engine produces 225 horsepower, more than any other stock side-by-side in its class. With a wide 74-inch stance, long travel suspension, and a chassis designed for strength and balance, it has become the machine of choice for riders who push the limits. Whether it's climbing the rocky trails of Moab or carving through the giant dunes of Glamis, the Pro R delivers speed, control, and durability. Polaris has even turned the Pro R into a championship-winning race machine with the Pro R factory, proving that this platform already has racing DNA built in. So when we start imagining 2026, we're not starting from zero. We're asking, how do you improve something that's already at the top? The first answer is more power. Our 2026 concept boosts the Fury engine to over 240 horsepower with refined intake systems, high compression pistons, and advanced mapping. But that's not the only trick. We also picture a mild hybrid torque assist built directly into the driveline. Think of it as a launch button, instant electric torque that kicks in for climbing steep rock faces or blasting off the line in a drag race across the dunes. This hybrid system would recharge through regenerative braking, meaning no heavy batteries or constant charging. It's a realistic step, too. Rally cars and desert trucks are already experimenting with this kind of system, so why not in a UTV by 2026? Of course, power is nothing if you can't control it, so the next leap is suspension. Polaris already has Dynamics 2.0, but our concept takes that idea further with AI-driven semi-active suspension. Terrain sensors and predictive algorithms would read the trail ahead and preload the shocks before you even hit a bump. Imagine flying across whoops at triple-digit speeds, while the suspension adjusts instantly to keep you in control. Long travel dual A-arms and 32-inch tires complete the setup, giving stability and grip no matter the terrain. It's the kind of technology that makes a driver feel like the machine is alive, anticipating every move. Safety and comfort are just as important. The 2026 Pro R concept features a fully welded high-strength roll cage integrated into a reinforced chassis for maximum protection. Lightweight composite doors help seal out dust and water while cutting weight. Inside, riders are strapped in with 6-point harnesses and enjoy heated and ventilated bucket seats, luxury comfort in an extreme environment. Lighting is upgraded with a 360-degree adaptive LED system that follows your steering, while cameras around the vehicle give you a complete view of the trail, day or night. Step into the cockpit, and you're in the future. At the center is a massive 12-inch smart display that runs split-screen GPS, live diagnostics, and rear camera feeds. Built-in 4G connectivity means Polaris could send over-the-air software updates, keeping your machine as advanced as your smartphone. Add a helmet-ready augmented reality HUD that projects speed, pitch, and navigation directly onto your visor, and suddenly off-roading feels like piloting a rally spaceship. For long adventures, Bluetooth audio and noise-canceling headsets keep rider communication clear even when the engine is roaring. On the outside, the 2026 Concept Pro R looks just as futuristic. Exposed carbon fiber panels reduce weight and show off their high-tech weave under the sun. Aerodynamic fender flares channel airflow toward cooling ducts while adding aggression to the design. And the factory livery? Matte black with electric green accents, a look that screams performance and innovation. It's a machine built to turn heads even when it's parked. So what we have here is a vision of the Polaris RZR Pro R of tomorrow. A 240 horsepower hybrid boosted monster with AI suspension, cutting-edge safety, and cockpit technology straight out of motorsport. This is not an official Polaris launch, but a fan-inspired prediction of where the brand could go. The Pro R is already a legend, but what if Polaris raised the bar again? Imagine the thrill, the speed, and the possibilities. The question is, which of these features excites you the most? Is it the hybrid torque boost, the AI-driven suspension, or the futuristic HUD inside the helmet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to know what riders like you want to see in the next generation. And if you're as excited about the future of off-road performance as we are, make sure to subscribe for more bold ideas and concept builds. Because one thing is clear, if Polaris builds anything close to this in 2026, the world of side-by-sides will never be the same.